Hello, today I will show you how you can be an eBay bid sniper. I would like to buy this stem for my bike. I find a very good offer. This is the second bid. This is the original price from Trek. This is another price, much better from another site. But I will try my luck in this offer. Now it's 1 minute 24 seconds. I will wait a bit until it is in some seconds. I think I will offer 88 pounds. There is free shipping, so I will try this now. Let's wait a bit and let's prepare ourselves. Okay, now this is the time. I'm starting sweating and I will put the bid, 88 pounds as I told you. Confirm. The best. Let's see. 26. Oh, I was very fast. I should wait a bit. Let's see. 99 seconds. Go. This is ours. I took it. Let's see. Oh, po. How can I see? I'm very stressed now. Oh my God. Okay, where is it? Purchases. Ella. I'm waiting. I take it. Okay. I will pay. Po. Okay, this was the video how to be a sniper on eBay. I enjoyed a lot the video. I laughed a lot. I hope you liked it also. Happy shooting and see you in the next video. Bye bye.